Today, we will be looking at one of the most important organs of the human body, which is known as the kidney. These extraordinary bean-shaped structures perform an important part in the overall health maintenance by filtering waste and excess substances from our blood, regulating blood pressure, and keeping electrolyte balance.
Good day, I am Miss Mendoza from Newman.
I am Marc Ocasion from Newman.
I am Miss Mahingyan from Newman.
I am Miss Padua from Newman.
I am Miss Marzo from Newman.
Presenting the anatomy and physiology of the kidney.
Starting with the external structure of the kidney. The fibrous capsule is a thin membranous sheet that covers the outer surface of each kidney. The capsule is composed of tough fibers, chiefly collagen and elastin or fibrous proteins that help to support the kidney mass and protect the vital tissue from injury. This region right here is called the hilum region, which is the enter and exit points of the kidney for the ureter, which is a tube that carries urine from the kidney to the bladder. Renal artery that transport a significant amount of blood from the heart to the kidneys, and the renal vein which carries blood away from the kidney.
After examining the external structure, let the kidney lie flat and cut it in half lengthwise from the side in order to reveal its internal structure. This part is a solid-looking outermost part of the kidney called the renal cortex. It contains many small arteries and veins that carry blood to and from approximately 1 million nephrons located in the cortex. Found inward from the cortex is the renal medulla that regulates the urine concentration. These fibrous or striped triangular zones in the medulla that contains the collecting ducts are known as the renal pyramids, which collect urine from the kidney tubules of the nephrons in the cortex. Between the pyramids are the renal columns that contain middle-sized arteries and veins that carry blood between the nephrons in the cortex and the renal artery and vein. These white parts here are the calyces, which have two divisions. The first one is the minor calyx, which is thinner and connects urines from the renal pyramids. Several minor calyces form the major calyx that delivers the urine from the hollow area called the renal pelvis, which then drains the urine out of the kidney through the ureters.
Flow of blood through the kidney. In the hilum region, unfiltered blood enters the renal artery, which is connected to the aorta. It will then branch out into the segmental arteries, and the blood will pass along with the renal column through the inferior interlobal arteries. It will then go to the arcuate arteries at the base of the renal pyramids, and after which it will branch out to the cortex to the cortical radiate arteries. Once it enters the glomerulus, the afferent arterial filtration of the blood takes place. The filtered blood will exit through the afferent arteriole toward the peritubular capillaries and into the cortical radiate veins. It will then divert into arcuate veins at the veins of the pyramid and toward the interlobal veins in the renal column. Finally, blood exits the kidney through the renal vein, which is connected into the inferior vena cava.
Flow of filtrate that forms urine. There are three main steps of urine formation that occur all in the renal cortex. These processes ensure that only waste and excess water are removed from the body. First is the glomerular filtration, occurs in the glomerulus where blood is filtered. It is the process that your kidneys use to filter excess fluid and waste products out of the blood into the urine collecting tubules of the kidney, so they may be eliminated from your body. Tubular reabsorption is the second step wherein the peritubular capillaries reabsorb useful substances and around 99% of the filtrate obtained is reabsorbed by the renal tubules. Most reabsorption occurs in the proximal convoluted tubules. Lastly, the tubular secretion, where the process of filtering blood occurs, produces liquid waste in the form of urine. The urine is then connected by the collecting ducts in the renal pyramids and directed to the minor calyces, which convert to the major calyx and travel to the renal pelvis, which is drained to the ureter.
Keep in mind that our kidneys are just as crucial to our health as our hearts. Understanding the importance of our kidneys entails not just acknowledging their role, but also taking action to keep them healthy. As we conclude, let's appreciate the incredible job our kidneys accomplish every day and let their importance enable us to care for them, ensuring a healthier and better future. Thank you for watching.